Kit.com tutorial. Hello everyone and welcome back. In today's video, I'll be showing you guys how you can get started with Kit.com. So previously this was known as ConvertKit, and we've all heard of this platform. This is an amazing email marketing platform that can help you in building and operationalizing a lot of your marketing strategies, and several famous people are already growing their email list with the help of Kit. So to get started with Kit, simply head on over into Kit.com. Now, some of its features include your grow features for landing pages, creator networks, recommendations, and forms. They have email designing features, marketing and deliverability, automations, and then e-commerce, paid newsletters, paid recommendations, and sponsor networks as well. So click on the Start Free Trial to start your free trial on Kit.com. Once you do that, you're just going to verify that you are not a robot. And once you verify that you are not a robot, you're going to proceed with entering your account information. So I'm going to be entering my name, and then we are going to enter our email, and then we're going to create a suitable password for our account. I'm going to agree to their terms of service and then just click on Get Started. Once you do that, we're just going to answer a couple of questions. After you do that, so we're just gonna proceed with some of our questions, and then you can enter your business name. So if your business is under your own name, if you're an influencer or a YouTuber or something along those lines, it would be your name. But of course, if you have something like a Shopify store or another business, you're going to enter the business name here. After that, you're going to choose your ConvertKit or your Kit.com domain. I'm gonna go with Spencer17 as that is available. And then we're going to add what type of creator we are. So let's say it's something else, or just an influencer, and then just click on continue. Then I just want to send out emails, and once we answer all of our basics, we can proceed with Kit. Now, once we have created our account, the first step is to start adding your subscribers. So if you already have a subscriber list, you want to add those people over here. To do so, first you want to toggle and learn all the tabs. So you have your Grow tab where you add your subscribers, your creator profile, which is basically going to be your link in bio, where you can create a one-stop shop for your subscribers. Then you can create landing pages and forms. So if you don't have a large email list already, then you definitely want to be collecting emails from your viewers or customers. So you can create landing pages and forms to do so. Then you have recommendations. Then you have your sending features where you can send out email campaigns, use templates and snippets. Then you have automations, your earning features where you can add your tips, products, and then your learning features. So to get started, go into Grow and then go into Subscriber over here. Once you click on Subscriber, you're going to choose how you want to add your subscriber. If you want to add one individual, if you want to import your CSV list, if you have another provider that you were previously using and you want to import your emails from there. I'm going to click on one subscriber, and I'm just going to be adding one subscriber over here, janet@gmail.com. And then I'm going to click on next. After that, we have our optional settings. So if you want to import this subscriber with a new tag, let's say I want to make her fall under my all contacts, or maybe let's say it's VIP. That's the tag I want to add. And you can click on add to tag. And if you have any pre-built tags, you can add them to forms and sequences. I'm just going to click on finish over here, and your first subscriber will be added. Now, in your subscriber tab, you have a few different tools. So it shows you your lifetime goals, the average open rate, average click rate, and the number of emails sent, and the new subscribers you have. On the right side, you have the ability to create different segments to help organize your subscribers and create different tags. On top, you can click on Total to view all of your subscribers, view your engagement, deliverability, purchases, and unsubscribes. Now, a really important part is to understand your subscriber preferences and build segmentation and tags. So tags are stagnant tags, which you can add based upon, let's say, if this person subscribed via a form, or if they subscribed on my landing page, or if they subscribed previously on my website. Segmentation is based upon currently exhibited behavior. So for example, a segment name would be interactive, which is going to define my customers or subscribers that are frequently opening up my emails. So matching all of the following, and I can click on this, and then after that I can add deliverability stats, and within this I'm going to click on custom field. and you can proceed with adding your own data from here as well. Then you can build stagnant lists with the help of tags, so that's just another way for you to categorize and have everything be organized. Now going into our second feature, which is our next most important thing, it's going to be to start playing around with emails, because that is what a lot of people are focused on when they're getting started with Kit. So to get started, you can simply click on email templates where you can create your templates. This makes it really easy for you to reuse a template. Let's say I always want to send out a welcome email whenever someone new joins my subscriber list. So instead of having to build it every time, I can click on new email template and build the template once. Then whenever I need to send it out, I can have a custom field for the name of the subscriber, and the email can pretty much be the same. Now I can use one of their email templates provided. They have quite a few different options available. But if you don't want to get started with their email templates, you can get started with one of their simpler templates and just start with a blank slate. That just comes down to personal preference. I'm going to go with one of their classic templates, and then you can start adding your content. So on the right side, you're going to have your paragraph, color, and template information. So your styling items are on the right. On the left, you're actually going to start adding blocks and your content. You have the start of your default content and end of your default content, and I can proceed with editing. Now, this is just one example. If you want to get started with just sending out a campaign, rather than building your email list or building these templates, you can go into broadcasts over here. Once you choose that, click on new broadcast to start setting up your broadcast. So you can pick out from a template or use one of their starting points. I'm going to use this template over here. And once I do that, I'm just going to click on one item. It's a very simple click and edit kind of system. So this is going to be an announcement, shop our annual sale. And then just like so, I can enter my own content. I'm going to click on this, remove this, and I can proceed with adding my own information. Click on the plus icon to add any other block. Once done, I can click on continue. And then I'm going to change the subject because the subject line is what appears in people's inbox. So we're going to name this sale announcement. I'm just going to leave my typo in. And then I can choose if I want to publish this to web or send this out as an email. Then you're going to choose your email address and choose which segment you want to send this to, as well as when you want to send it, then your preview text and any internal notes. And that's how you can get started with Kit.com. Now, Kit.com allows you to get started for free. However, as your subscriber list grows, you're going to have to upgrade. So for up to 10,000 subscribers, you can use the free version, but with a creator, you pay $25 a month, where you have unlimited visual automations and unlimited email sequences with free recommendations, and it removes the Kit branding. You even have polls and 24/7 email and chat support. Then you have your Creator Pro at $50 with all of the previously mentioned features, as well as unlimited users, A/B testing, and custom Facebook audiences. So it's definitely worth the price when it comes to their Creator Pro. I hope you guys found this video helpful, and if you did, make sure to leave a like and subscribe.